A little trick and the eggplants with ground beef turn into a genius dinner. Start by cutting a large eggplant. First, remove the ends and cut it in half. Now take one half, place 2 toothpicks on the sides, and cut it into strips without separating them, just like I'm doing. Turn it over and make the same cuts on the other side. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. It should look like this. Now, transfer it to a large bowl. Add enough cold water until everything is fully covered, and rinse thoroughly. Once that's done, season with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Flip it, repeat the seasoning on the other side and set aside. Next, in a large bowl, add 700 grams of ground beef. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 medium grated onion, parsley to taste, and mix everything thoroughly to evenly incorporate the seasoning. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right mix. Now, fill the eggplant we cut earlier with the seasoned meat. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. It should look like this. Then, add it to a large skillet over medium to low heat with hot vegetable oil, and fry until golden brown. To finish, add any sauce of your choice. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.